Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to read one of the chapters from Alternative English. The topic is The Wonder World of Science. Previously I have uploaded the first chapter, Cures for the Common Cold. Today we are going to read Typing Your Own Blood, which is written by Scott Blackman. So here I have written some of the difficult words. You can write it down, you can take a screenshot also, no issue. So without wasting time, let's start the class. But one thing, when I am going through the text, you also go through the text so that it would be easy for you to understand. Okay. So it is mentioned, typing your own blood. Here typing means what? This word typing. Typing means here it is testing. Okay. It means testing your own blood. How to test? By using your tongue you have to test. No. It is means the laboratory test of your blood. Typing your own blood is often used as in introductory laboratory exercise. Introductory means what? Something which is being done in the primary stage or something which is done in order to get a preview of an idea. So here it is mentioned, typing your own blood means testing the blood is one of the primary work in the laboratory. Even if you don't wish to learn your blood type, the exercise is useful because it familiarizes you with some simple laboratory techniques. So the simple thing is that even when you don't wish to know your blood type or you don't want to test it also, but still the foremost benefit is that you will be acquainted with some of the equipment which is present in the laboratory. Illustrates the use of basic equipments and prepares you to follow the stages of an ordinary scientific procedure. And let me tell you one thing, this testing your blood is very easy. Okay, in the laboratory one can easily test the blood, it's very easy, it is not at all difficult. That's why it is mentioned that even when you don't want to test your blood group or you test your blood, but still it is useful because it is being done in the primary stage of pathology. Okay. At the same time, you will be acquainted, means you will be familiar with some of the equipment which is used in the laboratory. Understood? With this our paragraph number 1 is over. Look at paragraph 2. In order to type your own blood, you need the following equipments. So, in order to test the blood, some of the equipments, means laboratory equipments are essential. What are they? Alcohol soaked cotton ball. Small cotton balls are needed which is soaked with alcohol. Why? In order to make something bacteria free so that we can sterilize something. A sterile lancet. Here I have written sterile lancet means what? A small sterile needle used to obtain blood. Normally it is being done while testing the blood sugar. Okay, the small needle is coming which is being fixed with a plastic equipment, that one is mentioned here. A sterile lancet, a small test tube containing 1 ml of saline solution, NTA, NTB and NTRH serums with individual eye droppers. So why it is mentioned individual eye dropper? Means separate eye droppers, means separate droppers are also needed. At the same time, what is written here? First thing is needed alcohol soaked cotton ball. First. Second one is sterile lancet, means a small needle. This one small sterile needle is to obtain the blood, and a small test tube containing 1 ml of saline solution. Okay, one test tube is needed where 1 ml of saline solution must be there. NTA, NTB and NTRH serum. While reading the text, you will be acquainted what is this NTA and NTB and NTRH serum. With individual eye droppers. At the same time, separate eye droppers are also needed. 2 microscope slides, a grease pencil, a pasteur pipette, 3 applicator sticks and a warm fluorescent light or any other low heat source. So low heat source is needed. We can't place it on a gas stove or on an induction heater because low heat is essential. That's why this fluorescent light is needed. So apart from this, it is mentioned that 2 microscopic slides. Slides are like this, means glass slides, just like this. 2 slides are being needed. Okay, and grease pencil. A grease pencil is needed so that we can mark something. A pasteur pipette. It means what? Type of dropper. 3 applicator stick, and 3 applicator stick is needed so that we can stir something. And a warm fluorescent light or other low heat source. So we can take fluorescent light or any low heat source also we can use. So paragraph 2 is over. Come to paragraph 3. With the grease pencil, label one side RH and place this light under the low heat source. So how many slides we have taken? We have taken 2 microscope slides. Okay. So 2 slides we have taken. And what we have to do? By using the grease pencil, label one side RH. So one slide is mentioned as RH. And place this light under the low heat source. Then we have to place this light under the low heat source so that this one will be little bit warm. Divide your cool slide into 2 equal parts. And this is the warm one, this is the cool one, and this one should be divided into 2 equal parts. This is A and this is B. And labeling one side A and the other B. Apply 1 drop of anti-A serum to slide A, 1 drop of anti-B to slide B, and 1 drop of RH to warm RH slide. Okay. So here what you have to do? We have labeled it A and B. So we have taken 3 types of serum, anti-A, anti-B and anti-RH serum. So we have to put few drops of anti-A serum on the slide A, B on this side, and RH on this side. Use an alcohol soaked cotton ball to swab your middle or ring finger. Now we have to prick our finger. Okay, swab means we have to clean the topmost part of the finger and then we have to pass it and allow the excess, not pass, we have to prick it and allow the excess alcohol to evaporate. So listen, here step by step it is being given. First of all we have to soak, means we have to rub this place, then the excess alcohol must be evaporated. Then after opening the sterile lancet, prick the sterile finger once. Now we have to prick the finger once by using this sterile lancet and approximately 1/4 inch beyond the end of the fingernail. Almost here we have to prick. Now collect several drops of blood in the test tube containing the saline solution. Now we have to collect the blood, okay, which is coming out of our finger in the test tube which is containing the saline solution. 1 ml saline solution is there in the test tube. So there only we have to collect the blood and mix the solution. Then we have to mix the solution properly. In the meantime, hold another sterile cotton ball over the cut to allow the blood to clot. In the meantime, what we have to do? We have to take another cotton ball and we have to press it like this so that excess blood flow will not take place. This blood will clot. Next, using the pasteur pipette, transfer 1 drop of saline solution. I have told you that in the previous one, in paragraph number 2, we have discussed about pasteur pipette. I have told you it is a type of dropper. Okay. So by taking that one, transfer 1 drop of saline solution containing the blood to each of the anti-A, anti-B and anti-RH serum. Okay. So the blood is there where? In the saline solution. By taking the pasteur pipette, we have to take the blood and we have to drop here in A, B and RH. After 2 or 3 minutes, and using a separate applicator stick to mix each. So each of the parts should be mixed by using separate applicator. Now after 2 or 3 minutes, clumping should have appeared in one or all of the areas. Then what will happen? After 2 or 3 minutes, there will be clumping. Clumping means, do you know what? Suppose you spread milk on the floor and just squeeze 2 or 3 lemon, means lemon drop, 2-3 lemon drops on it and wait some time. After some time what will happen? There will be clumping. So likewise, clumping also will take place, means it will be a bit thicker. Take place. A clumping denotes A type blood. If clumping is taking place, if clumping is taking place here, it means you have A type blood. If clumping is taking place in B, it means you have B type blood. If there is no clumping in A and B, it means you have O type blood. Okay. Because people are having either A blood group, B blood group, O blood group or AB group. Now, what is this RH? If RH clumping is taking place, it means you have positive blood group. If there is no clumping in RH, it means you have negative blood group. So, a no clumping denotes O blood. Understood what I told? If clumping is taking place in A, it means you have A blood group. If in both clumping is taking place, you have both AB. If the clumping is taking place in B, you have B blood group. If there is no clumping either in A or in B, then you have O type blood. RH clumping means that your blood is RH positive. If clumping is taking place on this slide, then your blood group is positive, and if there is no clumping on this slide, then it means your blood is negative. RH clumping means that your blood is RH positive. The absence of RH clumping indicates that you have RH negative blood. Okay, if this is negative, this one will take place. Either A or B, or there will be absence of A or B, then it will be O. Okay. By following the simple steps outlined above, you will learn much that will be of practical value in your future scientific explorations. As an added bonus, you will also learn your blood type. So, this is a very simple method. There is no use of some difficult techniques. Okay, difficult equipments are also not there. So, this is a very simple one. By using this one, you can learn your own blood type. At the same time, in future scientific experiment, you will be acquainted with these normal applicators. As an added bonus, you will also learn your blood type, and first of all, you will be acquainted with the basic rules or how one experiment or how one test is being done, and the bonus thing is that you will learn your blood group. Okay, understood? With this, this chapter, typing your own blood is over, and very soon within 2-3 days I will upload another video, that is men and women, some differences. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. If you wish, you also can join my online classes. All of you, have a nice time.